Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I wanted to find a new bed frame that was modern and sleek, but yet at the same time sturdy. So I was really thrilled when this new Ikalido bed frame came in. It was really easy to put together. All the parts came perfectly labeled, the instructions were really easy to follow, and I put it together mostly by myself, and it took maybe about an hour. I was specifically looking for a bed frame that could fit my mattress without a box spring, and this works out perfectly. I love that it has the sleek round corners so that way you don't jab yourself in the middle of the night. And it has an absolutely beautiful black matte finish. Now this is gonna sound weird, but my favorite part is the footboard because I absolutely hate it when in the middle of the night all my covers fall off the end of the bed. Now as an added bonus, another thing that I love is how it has plenty of room underneath for extra storage space. So if you've been looking to update one of your bedrooms and you want something a little bit more modern and sleek, definitely give this one a try. Ikalido has done a great job with this bed. I absolutely love it, and I think that you will too. And that is just my point of view.